welcome to Limitless Learning Series, and we have here with us Varsha ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
So, Varsha ma'am, many parents they come for admission counseling to you. So, just we want few tips to parents when they are selecting their child's first preschool or first school. What features or pointers they should look into, which can help them to decide their school.
Okay. So first of all, I would say that it's a first time for the child to come out of the house. So I would say the distance they should think about the distance also. They shouldn't be like that the child is traveling for the long time
And then he is getting tired.
Exactly, tired with the traveling time only. And that is what the school should be near to their place. And so that the parents, they can carry the child along with them. And yes, first of all that will be a first comfort zone for the child.
Distance from your home to school.
Yes.
That first they should look into.
Yes, exactly. And the second thing I would say, parents personally should go to the school and they should check with the staff as well as the classroom, whether the classrooms are like spacious and the ventilation is proper or not, how they are handling the staff, and even that cleaning thing. All the things should be considered, and so that the child will be there for the longer number of hours. So it should be like safety purpose also.
Because many schools nowadays we look that they are they have stairs and first floor, second floor. Even it can be really dangerous.
Yes. So that is again second point. And there shouldn't be a pressurized thing for the child. The child should enjoy that whatever the time he is spending in the classroom, the child should enjoy that. It should be fun time for the child. Right. So that the second time the child will be more excited to join the school. That is the first thing for him, that he is after the parents or after the house, he'll be enjoying another place, that will be the school. And this is how he will create an interest for the study part also.
Yeah, so I think when child goes to first time to any particular, he or she will take a particular time, his or her own time to get settled in this school. But then when they go for inquiry, that time they can check that is my child interested in those toys or books or how staff is, are they smiling towards him or not?
Exactly. Again, the teacher's coordination also matters.
Yes.
And initially the child will be playing and interacting with other kids also, and gradually they can turn it toward the study part.
Right.
So this is how the journey should be, and this is how it will be easy for them to choose the school.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Varsha ma'am. And dear parents, when you are going to choose school for your child, that time definitely you should look into all these points, that distance from your school, whether school is spacious enough for your child, whether staff is trained or not, whether they have security measures at place. And when we say security, it doesn't just include CCTV cameras and all, it includes your fire and everything, whether clinics numbers are at place. So all those small things should be checked by parents. Look into it by asking questions to admins also, or the admission counselor, whoever is available over there. So yes, keep watching, keep learning. We'll come up with more topics like this.